Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can resize images or elements using Canva. I'm like trying to think of what I was gonna say for some reasons. Here you can kind of see the width and the height. You can resize it here. But for instance, you want the like position to be like exactly where it is. You can also do it like here, for instance. There's also an advanced like ratio here as well. The width, the height. This is like for the alignment, and you can kind of lock in the width and height. So for instance, I want the width to be like 680. That's a lot. I don't use inches, so I wouldn't know. Oh, because I have it in inches. Okay, that's probably why. Sorry, not American, so I don't know how to use inches. I know centimeters, but you're just going to go to the position section. And for instance, I want the width to be, let's do like 8.5, and then the height like 11 inches. And it's going to basically resize the picture so that it fits the whole like canvas of it. You can just resize it like this, obviously, but if you want to be precisely exactly the same, that's how you can resize pictures in Canva. That is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!